when we try to remove background from a photo which is very hard to remove. You can see I have a photo which is generally very hard to remove the background, but here is a trick to select the object. This trick makes this selection so easy. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update. Go to channel. If you want to see channel, go to Windows, select channel. Click on every channel to see which is best for you. Blue looks good because we need dark and white part which is looks deeper. Copy it. Selecting the copy blue channel, go to image, adjustment, levels. Here make the dark part darkest and make the white part whiter. It looks good for me. Hit OK. Go to select, color range. Color range is a selection tool that allows you to select parts of an image based on its color. Choose white color. Play with fuzziness. It helps you to get better result. After done, hit OK. Unhide RGB channel here and select it. Hide this blue copy channel. Selecting the background layer, press Ctrl+J to copy. It's done. You can see it looks good. If you follow this way, you can easily remove any background. Now let's add a new layer and make it white by pressing Ctrl+ backspace. Looks great. If you can do it now, you can try it yourself. Still, if you want one more example, then here is it. As before, select the blue channel and copy it. Go to image, adjustment, levels. Make the dark part darker and the white part whiter. After done, hit OK. Go to select, color range. Select the white color. Play with fuzziness. Hit OK. Here some required area has been selected. Select lasso tool. and deselect it. After done, press Ctrl+J to copy, so it will done well. Hope this video helped you a lot. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update.